Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel brown sugar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to add that wonderful aroma. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's important to ensure no sugar remains on the sides of the pan. Once it starts to boil, resist the urge to stir, as this can cause crystallization. Continue boiling the syrup without stirring until it transforms into a beautiful amber color, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. For precision, aim for a temperature of 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches this stage, remove it from the heat. Carefully whisk in the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until melted, then slowly add the 1/4 cup of heavy cream, stirring constantly. Finally, let's finish our caramel. After removing it from the heat and incorporating the cream, stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely depth of flavor. Carefully pour the hot caramel into a clean, heat-proof jar or container. Let it cool completely at room temperature before sealing it. Once cooled, it will thicken beautifully and be ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.